Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slack. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick video on my summer makeup look, or just a summer makeup look. I'm going to be showing you some of the products I've been using for summer and a couple of add-ons. So I'm just going to get into it, but if you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slack family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. I was almost not going to do a video for today, but then I just felt so bad and so guilty that I felt like I should just do a get ready with me. Hopefully that will be better than not doing anything at all. My face is looking very worse for wear because I fell asleep in my makeup. So whenever I fall asleep in my makeup, I tend to look not that great the next day. I think I'm going to use the Lisa Eldridge lipstick again today because I haven't used it yet since and I'm excited by it. But if you want to check out the rest of the Lisa Eldridge lipsticks and the new eyeshadows, they are all in this week's vlog, which you can see by becoming a member for 99p a month. What a bargain. And also I swatched the liquid eyeshadows, so please do watch it if you can, because I really need your help in picking which shades to go for. I'm quite intrigued by the purple. I don't know if it's a good idea, and I don't know if I'll ever use it, but the purple's quite intriguing. There's like a greenish one, there's like a taupey one, there's lots of interesting shades. So if you guys do get a chance to have a look at that vlog for 99p a month, then please do, and please let me know which ones I should get, because I don't know which ones to get. We're in the middle of the hottest day of all time in England. I think it's going to be 40 degrees, and for a lot of you guys that's kind of normal, but here that is unheard of, and we don't have really AC in this country, and it's absolutely baking. So I'm going to be as quick as I can. First off, I'm going to start with primer. I'm using Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer in Perfecting. I think it's probably the last time I'll buy this one. It's okay, but I do still think I prefer the hydrating one. Even though it does give me quite glowy skin and it's summer and I probably don't need it, I just think I'd like to prefer my skin in it. So at the moment I'm having to do my brows first because I'm using a new brow pencil. I'm using the Gucci brow pencil, which is one I didn't have before. This one is the pencil one, the one that has a sharpener. And I love the little sharpener that comes with it. It's pink, it's very cute. There's my brows on, they look a bit wonky. I don't know if it's me. Are they wonky? Next up, I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC cream. This is a really good CC cream. It's got 50 SPF 50, plus UVA, plus UVB. This is the deepest shade, Deep is the deepest shade, which is a shame because it's actually a really nice product. And even though it isn't that deep, it does work on my skin tone with a tan, which is nice. It's very, very high coverage, but it actually is very lightweight on, and it's a CC cream. So I do like that. It's got a really different texture to what you would think a tinted moisturizer CC cream would have. It's not as light and fluid. It's a lot more firm, but it does still feel nice and lightweight on the skin once it's on. So this is the CC cream from IT Cosmetics. Next up is concealer part 1, and this is the Dior Backstage Concealer in the shade 5N. I use this pretty much every day. I don't really use any other concealers apart from this and the Clos de Peau. So next I'm going to do my eyes, and I normally have, at the moment I've been using the Patrick Tar large palette, the original one, and I've been really enjoying it as a base shade for all of my looks. But I wanted to try the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams, I think that's what it's called, yeah, Pillow Talk Dreams, because I haven't actually used it since I bought it pretty much, and I did like it, so I don't know why. So I'm going to use the brown from this. This is my favourite eyeshadow brush. This is from MAC. It is a 224S. It's just very nice and tapered and makes it really easy to sweep, especially mattes, all over the eye, and also help to elongate the eye as well, just up here, which I quite like. I might go in with a little bit of this one, just at the top of my eye to give it some lightness here. It's so hot, guys. I don't know how my makeup's going to stay on, but we're going to give it a go. I don't think I really need it, but I always do it. This is the Claire de Peau Toffee, and I've just got into a real habit of putting it on top of my concealer, even though it's a concealer. Just brightens me up. At the moment I'm trying to work my way through the Charlotte Tilbury Cream Bronzer in 3 Tan. I'm actually glad I do have this shade as opposed to the 4 Deep. Even though the 4 Deep was very rich, it just was such a cool undertone that it just looked not great on me. Whereas this one at least does something, it's kind of like my skin tone, so not too bad. I've been using this Pat McGrath, very old school Pat McGrath stippling brush, but it's a bit used, let's say. So it's not being as precise as I want it to, but it's really nice at just warming up my skin without adding too much. And I kind of just, I either do the Claire de Peau first or this first, but they do work quite well together, and the Claire de Peau helps blend it away when I get a bit heavy-handed, which is quite a lot. I'm going to quickly line my eyes with the Pat McGrath Labs liquid eyeliner. I've just used a tiny bit of this one from the Voyeuristic Vixens just here. I might add a bit more, but I think I'll wait until I've got the lipstick on so it doesn't look too intense. I'm just going to blend in this concealer. The Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturiser Blush in the shade Sun Drenched, and this works really well with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and was one of the reasons I actually kept the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, just because they go on top of each other really nicely and they just lift each other in a really handy way, considering on their own they're not ideal, but together they are lovely. I'm just going to do some powder under my eyes. I'm using the NARS loose powder. Next up, I do powder bronzer. At the moment, as I mentioned, I've been really enjoying the Gucci. So I'm going to use the Gucci. I'm not going to go too crazy because it is quite rich. And because I can't say goodbye, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury, the last crumbs that are left. Now I'm going to pop on the lipstick, and then I'll do blush because I'm not really sure what blush to do yet. Okay, so forgot how bright this was. I'm gonna line my lips now with the Lisa Eldridge Decade lip liner. And when I did go to the store, I spoke to them about the lip liner because I was like, I need a dupe for my Pillow Talk Intense. I know Lisa can do it. And they said that she's actually coming out with some new lip liners very soon that are going to be lip sculpting. So I presume one of them is going to be my dupe for the Pillow Talk Intense. I'm very excited about that. So I'm just going to line my lips. So one of my friends has just created a new brand, a new mascara. And it's called the Wonder Lash Mascara, and it's by her brand called Bella. This is her first product, and it has hemp extract, jojoba, blackcurrant, lots of things that are going to be good for the lashes, but it's also supposed to be very stackable, so kind of like the Max Stack. You can just keep layering it up and it won't clump. One of the things I love about this, I haven't tried it yet, but one of the things I love about this is the packaging. It's so cute and really different and unique. I love the packaging. It's very Art Deco, very cool, so I'm excited to try it. As you guys know, I have very short lashes, so if a mascara can make my lashes look long, then it's a favorite of mine, which is why I love the Max Stack one. So this is it here. That is really nice. I like the way it kind of hugs my lashes, it kind of grips them. Definitely framed my eyes a lot, they look a lot nicer. I will leave a link to this down below. I like how feathery it makes my lashes. It makes them feel like it's giving me more lashes as opposed to just like lengthening the ones I already have. They feel a lot more fluttery than they did before. Finish with a tiny bit of blusher because I think my face can probably handle it. This is the Hindash blusher, and I'm going to use these two as I always do. And now I'm going to set my face down. This is something I've been doing a lot again since summer has hit. I forget how important setting spray is and how helpful it is when you are super sweaty. So at the moment I'm using the All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. This is a classic and I just had a new one sitting in my cupboard, so I opened it and I'm very happy I did because it really does help to kind of keep my makeup in place. I spray a bit of this. Shake it and spray it. It does help me blend in my makeup. So that's me, guys. I feel like I look quite mature, but I feel quite summery. So guys, that is it. That's my finished look. Doing a quick summer makeup look. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. Will you be buying anything? Will you be trying anything? Do you have anything? What do you like the look of? Let me know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.